So this is gonna be a fun video for some people because I heard that a lot of kids love monster trucks, so think what we got. We got the whole game. Well, not the whole game. And by the way, I have a lot more in my closet, so I'm gonna do a lot of videos about these. So just let's get started. So first, we got Bigfoot, and he just a normal monster truck. There is a little engine popping out right there, and big wheels, like, and a lot of stuff under there. I can see the inside, and it kind of looking. I know I bought this like years ago or like a long time ago, but I don't know how still have that shine. And this is really cool. Like every single part. Like we got the logos on the side. Probably can't see it, but there is like logos. And next we have Earthshaker. And the special part about him, he's the first one with yellow right there. Yellow thingy in his tire. And he has space back here for some stuff, but in Monster Jam, like the game, nothing goes back here, so I don't even know what's back. That space is right there. And you can't see the inside because it's blocked. Well, if you like zoom into this little crack, you can see it. And it says Earthshaker right there. Not that like clean bottom, like plastic instead of on Bigfoot's metal. And it's a lot more light. Like I can like keep doing this all day. It's like really light. And put those off to the side. I don't even know if this like a real monster truck, but it's Wolverine. And it has a really nice bottom. Well, right here, the side. Really nice blue bottom, not metal, so you can like throw it around easily. And like big wheels, like always, back, and you can see the inside. And they're little, like there's 3 claws at the front, like because Wolverine has claws, so they put it there. And I'm going to call these the zombie twins because they're literally zombie twins. So the first one is like not that more realistic. Like it's the first one with red in the tires. So I think this is the only one with red in the tires I have. And it has a red bottom, zombie right there, zombie red bottom. And there's these little wavy hands for like, because in the real life there is a little brain right here, a face, and the back, it said zombie on there, but it's tiny. And then we got the next one. Oh, never. This is not the only one with red in its tires. Also, this one too. So, it's like the exact same, like brain, everything, face, but the bottom is not red. But the wheels are. It says zombie, wavy hands, like that. Back, you can't see it, but it says zombie. And that's about it. So, see you in the next video. Again, sorry for making you stay here for 5 minutes for me. That's crazy. So, goodbye.